requested by Sony Cricket the Vyonder.
Ah, yes, the cost is clear. I am going to pull the fire alarm and get out of school quickly.
Not so fast, Brendan. That's right, I caught you red-handed.
Hi Kalu, this isn't what it looks like.
You think I didn't see you doing that? Well, think again, because you are in big trouble, and I'm telling the principals right now.
Good job, Caillou, for catching the troublemaker named Brendan. Brendan, go home while we call your parents.
Brendan, I can't believe that you would try to pull the fire alarm. That was unacceptable to do that. You can get away from beating Caillou up. You can get away from doing Friday Night Funkin' with your stupid friends Rosie and Luis. You can get away from brainwashing Fred to give Kaylee the Animator 2006 a concussion.
You can even get away from beating up Kalo so badly.
You can get away from misbehaving in Miss Martin class, and you're grounded for 6 weeks. Go to your room now.